Gravitational potential energy is the energy an object has when it is raised up against gravity. The higher it is, the more energy it has. The more mass it has, the more energy it has. The gravitational field strength also matters. If the object was lifted on the moon, it would have less energy, as the moon's gravitational field strength is less than here on Earth. We can calculate the gravitational potential energy with this equation. And the formula triangle looks like this. Now let's see how to use this equation. Our question is: a book with a mass of 0.25 kilograms is lifted 2 meters onto a shelf. How much gravitational potential energy does it gain? We need to find the gravitational potential energy, so we use the formula like this. Let's add what we know. The mass is 0.25 kilograms. Times this by the gravitational field strength. The gravitational field strength for Earth is 9.8 newtons per kilogram. Times by the height, which is 2 meters. Add this into our calculators, and we reach the answer of 4.9 joules. Let's look at another question. A box with a mass of 6 kilograms has a gravitational potential energy of 294 joules. Find the height it was lifted. Looking at the formula triangle, we need to find the height. So we use the formula like this. We know the gravitational potential energy is 294 joules. The mass of the box is 6 kilograms and the gravitational field strength is 9.8. First we calculate 6 times 9.8, which is 58.8. 294 divided by 58.8 gives us 5. So the height is 5 meters. One more for you. An object has a gravitational potential energy of 300 joules. The height it was lifted is 15 meters. What is the object's mass? We need to find the mass in the formula triangle. And we use the formula like this. The gravitational potential energy is 300 joules. The height is 15 meters times by the gravitational field strength of 9.8. First calculate 15 times 9.8. That gives us 147. 300 divided by 147 equals 2.04 kilograms.
Visit GCSERevisionBuddy.co.uk to download free revision worksheets.